Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antornews. Kublai phi baru kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Kum ka jingpyniajan bat yo jingiatreilang hapdeng ki paidbah ka Sorkar baki Border Security Forces nagaliang uhe ka BSF u IG jong ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier u OP Upadhay ulalong u kmen. Utay IG khubor habakran shkilat pathay khubor jaka trekam jungi sipai BSF ha umpling uyathu ki BSF kilong ki bakloy jingiatreilang barki paidbah ka jilla ha ki khapun. Ki BSF kilong ki bapet ngor baha ha khaput India Bangladesh hadin ki jingjia ha Bangladesh bat Pakistan. Banyadai ki khaput ki sipai BSF ki don kilat ki lenti ban khmi kum ki tiar jingyada kum ki jingbujli no ya ki floodlight na kabenta ka baningkong. YG jongka BSF Meghalaya Frontier OP Upadhay ong ba ka pyndonkam yaki briu berkitiar ki bakhambun kentup yakitiar ki bala banyo imin kaya ram ban penklan ya ka pahara hasilenter ukhaput ubajngai sauspa kilomita. Nalor kata ka pentrekam ya ka pet ngori ki jaka bala ban shakta ESVP ha ki life ar kilometers AA jong ki jaka khaput kan salongshan. Halor ka sha thombor bat jinglong jingman Bangladesh bat ka sha thombor hapa halgam Upadhay ong komba julong. Lada jia ka nugnu ka jingjia ha ki jaka pa marjan ne ha kari ka don ka jingdawa bandon ya ka pahara bat pahara ha ka ba khamba. Ong balabu ya ki kamera pan tilt zoom PTZ haba pet ya ka jingpinmi dur ka badang shen. Katnat kampo ying MHA dangshen kala menjur ye ka skim pet ngor ka babha kamtam e ka jingpet benya da ka kor electronic ye ki jaka bala ban shakta ESVP ka ban kentup kombalai pu RKMS AA na ki khaput.
We do not have any information about such kind of groups operating through the soil of Meghalaya or across the soil of the Meghalaya. So we are, nevertheless, we are alert and we are keeping a watch over the development. And is there any such incident or is there any report is forthcoming? We'll take necessary action accordingly as per the merit of the input and information. Meghalaya, I don't think any such information is available about the insurgents. And but we are keeping a tag over that, and in case anything is reported, we'll take action accordingly. Reports, though we are getting these reports and observing such kind of reports in the media, so we are still verifying the authenticity of these kind of reports. But I would like to assure you that we are fully prepared for such kind of scenario, and our systems and our equipments are in place, and accordingly we'll be dealing with such kind of situations. Because we are responsible for Meghalaya border, and we are guarding it with full strength and full availability. We, roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometers of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government, and the officers of the state government and the honorable CM, they are also concerned about this issue, and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue, and they are trying to persuade the villagers, those who are land is going to be affected, and they have got this some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side, there is no problem. But I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has a bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population. So this is the thing, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to remove the impediments. The frontier, this was my priority area, and I have visited almost 125 BOPs, which is are under the jurisdiction of Meghalaya Frontier. I have met with local Nokmas and the village Sardar, and the most of the civilian people, and the students also. So we are regularly having the civic action program. We are conducting the medical camp for the border population. We are giving them the free medicine. Our ambulances are available for transportation of the patients, those who require admission in Shillong. So from border area, my ambulances are readily available. And even though in cases of requirement of water and other things, my troops deployed in the border areas, they are very actively supporting the border population. So hopefully, we'll be getting better results in this regard, and we are also getting good results and good sympathy from the border population.